Hey guys, so I found out I was going to wakeboard camp and I had some questions because I was a little bit clueless, you should say. So I asked my mentor, DavidOC. Let's roll those clips.
Hey Lily, I just saw some of the videos you sent through. It looks like you're absolutely flying on a wakeboard, so good job. Keep it up, keep enjoying it is the main thing, and the progression will happen. Velocity Wake Park is supposed to be amazing. I one day hope to go there, and yeah, I'd say the summer camp is going to be amazing. Definitely try and make some new friends if you can. Like the thing about wakeboarding is you meet so many new people who all share that common interest and passion for wakeboarding. So definitely, if you can, get talking to some of the other boys and girls, and hopefully you can learn from each other and maybe wakeboard with each other even after the camp is over.
What should I do to get energized?
To get energized, it's a difficult one because you're obviously going to be wakeboarding a lot, but you are only 9 years of age, so you'll probably have more energy than anyone else. Do maybe try not eat too many bad snacks if possible, and try stay out of the sun when you're not wakeboarding would be my biggest advice. Maybe it's because I'm Irish that I'm saying that, but yeah, the sun is going to ruin your energy, so try and stay protective, wear lots of sunscreen, and you should be okay.
Are the people at Cable Park nice and welcoming to beginners?
Yes, I think everyone in wakeboarding I've ever met is nice and welcoming to all levels, beginner through to advanced. So yeah, they'll be just happy to have you there. So yeah, just have a smile, try and make friends and enjoy it, and you'll have a great time. Look forward to hearing how you get on.
Welcome back to Wild Travel. It's our first day of wakeboard camp. We got in our camper and Mara's setting up on her bunk. Mine's up here.
You guys ready? What do you guys like for breakfast?
Pancakes.
Pancakes.
I like toast.
Toast.
So we are on the boat in the Sacramento River. So
What's different?
we're here with Tristan. He also has a channel.
Right?
It's called
Glide you on top of the water and then switch into your riding.
We're done with being on the boat and we came back to the park and holy cow, this is warm. Shout out to my camera girl, Mara Ambrosevich. She's a great friend and she's a great camera girl.
She was doing great on the wakeboard when we went on the boat today, so.
Okay guys, I just got my cotton candy shaved ice. Thank you. Today is our second day at wakeboard camp. It's the dog!
Yeah, the dog.
Now we are doing a paddle game where we paddle from all the way to here. And we're gonna try to stand up. I'm eating some barbecue wings. That is why I have stuff all over my face. We just did the coolest thing today. When we went out the boat, we met Trevor. That's right, Trevor. So that was super awesome. There's a bunch of little minnows in here. Yeah! They're all so cute. Okay guys, it's day 3. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go on the cable. Okay, oh, here she goes. Here she goes. Joey!
1. See, 2's my favorite. It always sends. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Joey! This is our last day at wakeboard camp. So that was really fun. I love the cable, I love the aqua park, and the people here are really welcoming to all levels.
Boat or cable?
Boat.
Favorite shaved ice flavor?
Tiger's blood.
Dad would be proud.
Okay, so it's been a little while since I've gotten back. It's been a couple weeks. I feel a lot better behind the boat. I really wish someday that I could go back, at least go back for a visit. Okay guys, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe and ding the notification bell so you can get more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!